made this reclaimed wood wall art for our family wall. And we did it on an October Tay takeover. And we'll show you how we did it right now. What is up? Welcome back to another fantastic Freaky Friday. Fantastic. Here on Auntie Tay's channel. Do you like to do it, build it, or make it? Great. That's what we do on our channel every week.
This week we're making a reclaimed wood wall art using Auntie Tay's chalk paint in Blanco, Rain, and Seafoam. You can get any of these paints on shopauntietay.com and you can get a discount using our coupon code KNGMakeIt.
Step 1. Gather all your stuff.
The reason we get to do this project is because we found this great frame on clearance for $10. And so we're gonna paint it and make something beautiful out of it. And then you'll also need some slats. We're gonna add slats to the inside. We have some reclaimed wood pieces here. We actually got these at Hobby Lobby. And this is your regular,
crown molding.
Yes, crown molding from your home improvement store. And then this is a fence picket from your home improvement store. So we're just gonna alternate these for the insides, and we're gonna paint these fence pickets. Well, actually, I'm not sure. Do I wanna do Seafoam or do I wanna do Rain?
Now, we just picked up one fence picket. It was $1.30, and we cut it into 3 sections. And we picked up a piece of 6-foot trim and cut that into 3 sections.
And we cut out this word family out of this MDF, medium density fiberboard, which we will place on the front of it. Something like that. You get the visual? Everybody got it? Let's get started.
Step 2. We're gonna paint the frame. You know, anytime I got rubber gloves on, I feel like I'm about to get down to business. Surgery, painting, something.
Serious business.
Serious business. I always feel official. I feel official when I'm wearing my gloves.
Official?
All right, my gloves are on. Let's do this.
Come on here, let's do this.
All right, I'll meet you in the middle, babe.
All right.
Step 3. Paint your boards. I'm painting mine. What's this?
Seafoam. I changed my mind. I was thinking Rain. I think the Seafoam is gonna look
She
nice.
threw me with the Seafoam. I was expecting Rain. I need a minute.
What's this? Wait a minute, what is this? And I'm gonna paint my crown molding trim and this Blanco.
Blanco. Blanco for everyone. Step 4. We assemble it, put it all together. Everything's dry, frame's looking classy.
It does, it looks beautiful.
So classy. That paint did a great job covering it nice and easy.
Nice and what?
Nice and even.
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
I am too. All right.
Let's flip it. Flip it. Flip him if you got him.
All right, can I see what it looks like?
Yeah. We're gonna take a peek. Be right back.
Oh.
What?
You didn't notice anything?
No, I didn't notice anything.
You and that design eye.
Now we're just gonna tack it down with a 3/4 inch brad. The nail, not the guy. And done. All right, wanna see what we got?
Yes.
Let's flip it.
Yeah.
That's what we got so far.
Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Look at that sea foam. That looks great.
Oh, what happened? It popped out everywhere.
Oh, bad news.
All right, well, we have to paint all those.
3/4 inch brads, too long.
Well, they just popped out
Everywhere.
I'm just gonna cut off all of the little nails that pop through with some wire cutters. And then we're gonna paint it. All right, lesson learned on that one.
Use glue.
Use glue. I think it'll be okay though. Now we gotta put our word on. Yeah, family. Are we gonna nail it on? I'm just gonna put it one here.
Okay. I say let's distress it to kind of go with those nail pops maybe.
Alright, we're gonna try to cover up those nail pops. We got some of these sandpaper sponges. We're just gonna rub it around.
Oh my gosh, this looks so good.
Alright, you wanna show them what we got so far?
So far, that's it.
That's it. Alright, done. I think the nail pops look okay. If it dries and we don't like it, maybe I'll fill them in, but otherwise, I think they get lost with everything else.
You got a chalk on your face.
I'll get it, hold on. Is it going?
Yeah, it looks much better.
Alright. Alright babe, let's go hang this thing. Good job.
Let's do it. Ouch.
And that is this week's project. That's part of our Tay takeover in October. That's a whole lot of Tayin'. I'm just Tayin'. If you like this week's project, leave us a comment, give us a like, and do not forget to head over to our channel and check us out over there. We got plenty of this stuff over that side. And that's where we'll see you next.